All right, today we're going to create our drawing for the saddle bracket, the part we made yesterday in class, and you'll see that your bracket is completed, right? You should get in the habit of labeling your parts over here, and of course your tabs down here. Now, traditionally we would hit that plus and go to create drawing, but I'm going to show you a quick way to create a drawing, and that is by right-clicking your part here, yep, on the left-hand side, saddle bracket, you're in right-click, and go to create drawing of saddle bracket. Whenever you do that, it asks you, do you want to make it 4 views or no views? And if you make it 4 views, you don't even have to drop it in there. It'll do that for you. And whenever it is, right, loading, you'll see that it automatically names your tab for you, which is wonderful, right? You don't even have to label that tab. It does it for you. So it does place all of your views in here, but you do need to do a couple things before we start dimensioning. Number one, we're going to right click and show shaded view on the isometric. And we're going to show hidden lines on all of our views. So right click, show hidden lines, show hidden lines, show hidden lines. Right? So no hidden lines on the top view because you're looking straight down. And we just want to make sure we have all of our drawing dimensions on here before we move on to our next part. So if you use the video for help, right, it shows you most of the dimensions. All right, we're just missing a couple things like center lines here. We're missing some center lines here, right, and the center line going straight through. So to add those, we have to come up here, center mark, and we have 2-point center line. So we can center mark the circle there and there. And then if you want to do the 2-point center line, you could do that and go from there to there, there to there, right? And that's going to help you with your dimensions. Same thing, here to here. Whoops. Right, so that's what those lines are right here. So they do go all the way across whenever you are drawing those. So 2-point center line goes from there to there, and this one should go the whole way as well. And there technically is one here too. Right, that's just saying that there's a hole that goes through there, and that's the center point of it. All right. So we're going to start our dimensions. We're going to start number one by showing the height of this. And that'll be our side overall height. Then we need to get our overall width, which we can grab from here to here. We're just going to pull it down a little bit, because we're going to need dimensions from here to here, right, and so on. So if you want it to look exactly like the video, you can. You just want to keep in mind that you want your short or smaller dimensions beneath your longer ones, right? So I can grab here to here, and that is 2.5 to the center line, right? I can grab here to here, and that's 0.5, right, for the thickness of this side arm, I guess you can call it. Then I'm going to need from the depth, we have 0.3, and the distance from the top to the center point of that circle is 1.5. I'm going to grab the diameter of that, and I like putting it down here instead of up here away from everything. That way it keeps everything in the main rectangle here. And then to grab my radius, I have to click on the arc of this circle, and it'll say radius is equal to 1, because that's a 2-inch circle that we use to extrude through there, right? Simply put, that's it. That's the whole drawing. You just want to fill in your title block at the end. So this is the saddle block. Drawing number 1, because we haven't done anything beyond in this project. Material is plastic. my goodness. Plastic. All right, and finishes on, in my case, blue. If you change the color, you can make it black for ABS, something like that. Totally up to you, right? So that is it for the drawing, short and sweet, just to get you in the habit of using OnShape again. I know we took a little break. So good luck. If you need any help, let me know.